What's up guys, EJO here, back with another video. In this one we are going to detail my girlfriend's father's car. We borrowed this for a couple of hours for some errands, and we decided to, hey, let's surprise him with an interior and exterior detail. This car is super filthy. It hasn't been washed in over a year, so it has a lot of ingrained dirt on it. It's got a lot of tar spots and other contaminants, so it's going to be a real challenge to get it clean and protected in the limited time that we have. So yeah, let's get started. Let's start with the wheels. Now there were still some remnants of some tar spots left on some places around the car, so I went around and checked for them and just went over them once again with the Tar X and gently wiped them off with a clean microfiber towel. Now the only downside to this is that it leaves behind an oily substance, so I went ahead and filled the foam cannon with the car shampoo that I was using earlier and foamed down the entire car and just quickly went over it with the microfiber mitt. And there's really no need to use a bucket here because most of the dirt, or pretty much all the dirt and contaminants, are gone by this stage, so the wash mitt won't really pick up any dirt now. I'm gonna use this Meguiar's Ultimate Quick Wax both as a drying aid and also apply it when the car is fully dried, just to offer the car some sort of protection. I like that product because considering the ease of application, I think it offers a good protection and good longevity. Now, with only a couple of minutes to spare, I decided to whip out the polisher and go over the piano black B-pillars just really quick and see if I could just brighten them up a little bit. And considering I only polished them for about 15 seconds each, they actually looked a lot better than they did before. And here are the results, guys. I can tell you that he was super happy when he saw the car. He did not expect it to be fully detailed. And even though this video wasn't really in-depth, I hope you enjoyed it anyways. And if you did, feel free to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. And see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.